Hi everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. आप सभी को मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र. So today I am going to share a video of our learner Bhargav who has been able to book almost 2000 plus points in Bank Nifty. Now guys, remember that people are not able to book such kind of points in Bank Nifty in the entire year. So I've asked Bhargav to make a detailed video on his trading strategy, on his trading psychology, and what actually made him to hold on to this trade. Now, while I'm talking to you, he's still holding on to his trade with almost 2,500 points, I guess. So, with that note, now I will put forward the video which has been recorded by Bhargav. Guys, make sure you have your notepad ready and make sure that you learn from it. So, with that note, let's get started.
Hello everyone. I take this as my privilege to share few things behind my psychology or what goes behind me taking a trade. I basically want you to introduce you to my trading style with an example of trade which I took recently. So this was basically a trade in Bank Nifty futures which I took with only one lot, which has given me tremendous risk to reward so far. It was supposed to be a 2 to 3 day swing trade, but the market was so generous that I held on to it for more than 15 days right now, and still currently I am still holding the trade. So first of all, let's dive deep and let's understand what made me take this trade. So what was the trade plan? Not a trade plan. Why was this trade taken in Bank Nifty? So let's directly jump into the trading view charts. Okay, this is the chart of Bank Nifty. First of all, let's see the reasons behind why I took this trade. First things first, I always search for minimum 2 reasons to take a trade. I will never bounce into a trade or enter a trade if I don't see at least 2 reasons to enter the trade. So first things first, there was a trend line. There was a steeping trend line. The Bank Nifty was in a downtrend for more than 3 to 4 days now, and since it was a strong bull run from past few days, I knew it was a small correction, and I was just waiting by drawing this trend line. I was expecting Bank Nifty to break this trend line. Expecting means I was not predicting, but I was just ready with my levels that if there is a breakout on the upside, I will be entering long with one lot of futures. So I was waiting, I had my alerts in place, and hence, as per my plan, there was the breakout on the upside here. So did I take the trade now? No. Actually, I did not take the trade. I wanted one more confirmation. What was one more confirmation? Since the market was in downtrend from past few days, I wanted previous 2 days to be taken out. By previous 2 days, what do I mean? Day 1, day 2, and this was the day I took trade in. That is 5th. I took trade and I saw whether it has broken the high of both first and fourth last two trading sessions. Yes, the high of last 2 day was also taken out on 5th, and hence I entered long here. Yes. So what happened after I took long? I kept a stop loss of around 250 points, and I will tell you my stop loss was missed by not less than around 30 points, 30 to 40 points. I was very fortunate. That's why we say keeping stops is very important. Planning your stops is very important. When you are, especially when you are taking swings, at least try to keep stops which will give you breathing space, because for a swing, keeping a stop loss of 100 to 150 points will not work out. It will throw you out of the trade. So in order to minimize number of trades in a month and also to have a sound swing trade, you should have good breathing space for the stock, that is good stop loss in good levels. So I felt 250 points was a good enough stop loss for me, and today it has given more than 2500 points, which is more than 1 is to 10. So this is a single trade in a single lot, that is in Bank Nifty futures. So let's see how the profits look at this point of time. First of all, I want you to share, there was a landmark thing, Bank Nifty hitting 40,000 levels. So I wanted to record the same, and I did record it. It hit 40,000 levels yesterday. So yesterday I did just recorded a small screen recording, and this is how it worked out. uh, when it hit 40,000 levels in the live market, it felt good to see myself being part of one of the landmark moments of Bank Nifty hitting new heights. So I wanted to share this also with you guys. And yes, coming to where do we stand in profits. So this is the profit screenshot as per today. So the first things first, the first one is the net quantity. I am only trading with 25, that is only one lot of Bank Nifty futures. The rate at which I bought was 37,834, and today's, as per today, the profit is 61,633, and still I am holding the trade. And I have two more positions which are swing. They're running in small loss, but they are for almost 12 to 15 days, and I am optimistic about them. And even if it hits my stop loss, I don't care, because it's all part of the game. So 61,000 profit running and still in the trade. So this is one more thing. And yes, uh, yes, this is also from the live application, that this is how the trade plan looks, and I'm currently holding DLF and other things which are swing in nature. So let me discuss few things about why few other things are important in trading, that is why pre-trade planning is important. So let's look at here why pre-trade planning. Why have I stressed more about this pre? Why? It is because before you take a trade, before you have any opportunity that you are anticipating to come in the future, it's always important for you to know what you are going to do with it. If there is an opportunity, you should think in advance or decide in advance whether you will be doing intraday or whether it will be a swing. So for this trade, I knew straight away that I will be doing a swing, because Bank Nifty futures, Bank Nifty especially these days, I am enjoying trading it on swing basis, because I am able to capture lot of points which I can't if I do intraday. So what I do in intraday in 2 to 3 months, I'm able to do it in 1 month by taking swing trades in Bank Nifty or index for that. I also take it in Nifty at times. So deciding what is your trading style or your holding period is very important. First things. Second thing, having alerts is very important so that you don't miss out on opportunities. And the third thing, having good breathable stop loss is important, and all these three things should be anticipated in advance. So this is one more thing. And why am I still holding this trade? Because market did not give me any indication that I should exit it. There was no strong indication. The trend for me is was looking strong, and I'm holding it, and I have a trailing stop loss below today low, and if it comes back, I'm happy to exit it. So very happy. I'm feeling extremely happy because trade worked out as per the plan. So, and the last point I want to tell, which is the most important out of all these four, is psychology over strategy. What is psychology over strategy? Even if you have a strategy which has only 30%, 35% win rate, if you have the psychology to believe in that strategy and hold on to your winners, you can still be very profitable in trading. So, do I make money in all the trades? No. My win rate is around 60%. I will not be disappointed even if it goes down to 40 to 50% win rate, because I believe in my learnings and I believe in holding on to trades when they are running. Don't be a coward when you have winners, and don't be a conservative when you have stop loss in place and the market is crashing. No, when the market comes down and hits your stop loss, you are out of the trade. If market is going up, hold on to it, believe in the trade with conviction, keep trialing your stop loss, and definitely you can make good returns from trading. So these were the few things that I wanted to touch upon. So once again, I thank Jaysa for providing me with this opportunity to just share my trade breakdown, and I will be happy to make further more videos on how to take trades. So always have at least two reasons to take trade and have a predetermined plan on what to trade, how to trade, and how well to manage your risk, and know why you are holding the trade. And lastly, believe in psychology over your strategy. Winning rate doesn't matter as long as you can hold on to your winners and cut your losers short, you can do very well. So that's it from my end. Thank you so much.